Hey guys, welcome to my baking channel. Today, we will be making super moist chocolate cupcakes. During lockdown, I've been experimenting a lot in the kitchen on how to make more eggless and dairy-free desserts. These chocolate cupcakes are one of those recipes I'm very proud of sharing with you today. You only require a few basic ingredients to whip up these babies, so let's get baking! For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Line a cupcake tin with cupcake liners and set this aside. In a large mixing bowl, sift in the 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 30 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. Also add in the 325 grams of sugar and mix everything together until well combined. Form a well in the center of your flour mixture and add in the 250 milliliters of cold water, 90 milliliters of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Beat this on medium-high speed just until everything is incorporated. Do not overmix this, please. This is the consistency we are looking for. We can now scoop the mixture into the prepared cupcake tin. I'm using an ice cream scoop to do so. Just fill them about 3/4 full. Bake them for about 17 to 20 minutes, or until the toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. My cupcakes are done baking. I baked mine for exact 20 minutes. Let your cupcakes cool down completely before frosting them. So my cupcakes have already cooled down. Now it's really up to you which kind of frosting you want to frost them with. I still have a bit of cream cheese frosting left from yesterday, so that's what I'm going to use now. I'm just going to pipe simple roses on top of my cupcakes. I'm using the Wilton 1M tip. I love this design on my cakes as well, since it's super easy and makes everything look so elegant. By the way, this cream cheese frosting is the same recipe as the one from my red velvet cake. I put the link in the description box below if you're interested. Look how pretty they are! These chocolate cupcakes are so soft and moist. I also use this recipe for my chocolate cake. The combination with the silky smooth cream cheese frosting is just insanely good. I'm really sure you're going to fall in love with them just like I did. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye!